I am the Collector, and I am welcoming you to another Pokemon unboxing. Today we will be opening a Korean pack, X and Y break pack, which I bought, I will admit, because the art looks very cute and very fun. So I'm looking forward to opening that. Unlike the Yu-Gi-Oh box that I opened the other day, this came unopened, which is good and makes me feel a lot better about what might be inside. Okay. So let's have a look at the card pack art. Okay, it's just, yeah, there's the box art again. There we go. Okay, let's jump straight on in. Okay. So that's interesting. I haven't actually seen anything like that before. That, I think, is very interesting. It's got these little hearts, which you can see there. I'm not sure if my lens will actually be able to pick that up as well. And there's these two little bits down the side here. Anyway. Oh, is that going to be for the entire pack? That's really intriguing to me. I wasn't expecting that. That's not what I expected at all, in fact. And then this one has there's like a cutesy house behind it. You see, something like this makes me go, are these fakes? And then we have an EX. Okay. I'm not entirely sure what to think. That's an EX full art. And then I guess this is an advertisement at the back here. Okay, that was very intriguing. That wasn't what I was expecting at all. So we have 5 cards in total. All of them have some sort of shine effect on them. We have what appears to be an EX at the end there. Very nice. The artwork is gorgeous. Some of the things you can generally tell fake cards by is normally HP. But if you look at the HP on those, it isn't insane. So, okay. So I'm now looking at the damage values. And no, they're pretty normal. So this pack, I haven't done any research on it beforehand. Maybe I should have done. So maybe this is what we get from all the packs, or maybe just packs with the X's. Let's see what happens. Okay, the second pack is proving a lot harder to open. A lot harder to open, gosh. Look at what the cards are. Make sure I don't hit them. Okay, I just had to slice the top off that pack because that was proving too much of an effort for me. Okay, so we got the same thing again. The little heart backgrounds on it. That's a Charmeleon, looking incredibly cute. This artwork is gorgeous. I don't think they need the hearts to make it cutesy, to be honest. Even the trainer card has some fun effects. And there we have a holo Jiraki. And they all have these extra card at the back, which I'm guessing might be a code card or something. So, if anyone works out what the code was on that first one, feel you free to use it. No, a closer look, these are literally just advertisement cards. Okay, I'll be removing the back card from the next few because I don't really see any point of us. Also, if I work out that there's some advertisement which gets me more cards, obviously No offense to you guys, but if there is some type of code, I'm not sure if I want to give it away to everyone. So I'll take that off, spin it around again, and we start with a Raichu. Looking very fun. Oh, gosh, these, if you spend a bit of time, if I spend a bit of time showing you this card, that is really nice artwork on every single one. And to have already pulled in the X, I feel quite happy. And there's a Charizard. We're not doing bad today, are we? So we got a Jirachi and a Charizard holo. We got this guy EX. I will admit, cannot remember the name of him. Sorry. Okay. Let's see if it was just that pack or if it's all of them. Oh, I got lucky on the first. No, it was just that pack. Okay. Chuck that away. That is gorgeous, isn't it? See, even with something like that, they've got it looking a bit more dark than Cutie. Yeah. Those are nice. See, the only issue here is I can't 100% tell exactly which one's the best. It's a little bit... These all look really cool. I can tell EXs apart. I can just about tell Holos apart, maybe. Maybe. So yeah. Oh, looks like we might have something at the back there. That would be pretty amazing. So this is not that many packs in. Of course, it could be not so amazing. That means we don't get anything else for the rest of it. Okay, so that Jirachi probably wasn't a holo, was it anything massively special, he says, pulling out an EX Flareon with little heart things in the throws there. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to declare this. I have no idea whether this pack is supposed to look this way. I think I've made that perfectly clear. I have no idea whether or not these could entirely be crazy. I'd really like to find out. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to quickly look up this pack online and find out whether or not it's supposed to be like this, so that I'm not wondering this for the rest of the video. Okay, so I'm very pleased to confirm these are definitely not fakes. This is the whole theme of the pack. I'm sorry for not realizing that sooner. It's the cute pack, or the Japanese word for cute, or kira, or something along those lines. I'm not going to try and pronounce because I will mess it up. Okay, so let's just have a nice little look through everything else. Here is our next booster pack. And I'm going to have trouble opening this one because of course I won't. Oh, there we go. And here's another little swab. Take that thing off the back. Change the lighting slightly to try and make things better. Not sure if it's actually helped or hindered, to be honest. we go. These are so cutesy. It's really nice to see something with this attention to the artwork, and just the effects on it are really sort of neat. There's yet another Charizard. So, for a kid who grew up believing Charizard was, the rarest of the rare at one point, card you could get in the first edition Pokemon cards. Yeah, this is quite an interesting set of boosters for me. Well, that was part of the reason why I was thinking, this can't be real. We've already had more than one Charizard. But no, this is just the Korean version of a Japanese and Korean only pack, I think. Don't believe they ever released it in the UK, which, if that is the truth, I'm going to find that out, and I'll post it in the show notes if I'm wrong. But, yeah. I can't believe they wouldn't have released this in the UK. It's just beautiful. But then again, maybe I don't think the cutesy culture will sell over here. That would be insane if that was the thinking, but... Oh, why's it gone completely out of focus now? There we go. I'll decide on that. That's really, really nice. And there's a mix of art styles here, but they're all really good and they're all really fun. They all work with the theme, and we forgot to get rid of that at the start of this one, didn't we? There we go. I think I'll just be putting the X's to one side because I will admit I can't work out off just looking at the cards themselves. I'm not 100% sure what is and isn't shiny. I mean, I think from a brief look that the ones without any sort of extra art on them probably aren't as special as the ones with extra art, and the ones with shining stars all over them might be your reverse. But I don't generally go for all the reverse shinies because that would take ages. So I'm just going to have a look through the packs that I've got so far, so decide what we got there, because it seems that certain Pokemon just seem to come a certain way. That might just be the design for those Pokemon. So it just... Okay. So we'll see. See what I can be asked to do. Now, normally I would sit down and have a little bit of a look at a pack, but these arrived yesterday. I got home from work and was like, I'm really tired, I cannot do a video. Could I just open these for my own enjoyment right now? And I was like, no, you better not. So I didn't, in the end. It did take a little bit of self-persuasion. As I might have mentioned on videos before, I'm a bit impatient. When I see something like this, I want to know whether or not I got something majorly amazing in there. That's like similar to the artwork on the front of the pack there, isn't it? Oh, that's really nice. That is also very nice. So yeah, basically this entire pack is shiny in a way. We haven't had these guys before yet, have we? That's really nice, with a little snowman, bunny, well, Iceman, I assume, bunny rabbit in the middle. Another one of them. And we have another EX. Originally the same Pokemon as we had before for the full art EX. So now we've got the full art and the normal art of that one. I'm not complaining. They look gorgeous. I am absolutely loving this box's art style, to be honest. Might just be because I am really into the cutesy stuff. But I think also artistically that stuff is fun. Makes me happy. So, okay. Oh. I mean, quite a lot of Pokemon are just internally cutesy anyway. That's just the way they are as Pokemon. So, not much you have to do to make them into a pack of very cutesy cards. And this is not coming into focus at all. There we go. Finally. I know what the last one is. Oh, gosh. A bit more daunting. So yeah, we're probably going to end up, after this pack, having more Charizards than I have ever owned. In game or ever. I mean, there was a point in the early games of Pokemon where I'd gone and got a Ditto. And mates of mine used to ask me to breed their Pokemon for them. So there was a point where I had a decent amount of Charizards floating around. Because lots of people wanted, starters. I used to do the initial training too. That was part of the service I provided. I would breed the Pokemon. And train it and name it for them. Get sort of a very good basic moveset for the baby, obviously, Charmander. And then, depending what they wanted, I might even train it up into the Charizard or Rare Candy it up into the Charizard. Back in the good old days of Gold, where you still had your Rare Candies from Red to leech off. And anyone who tells me they have never pulled the Rare Candy cheat and yet call them into themselves a Pokemon fan and have owned the original games, I look at you and I shake my head because you missed seeing one of the best Pokemon ever, the Missingno. We have never seen a Missingno since. The rarest Pokemon in the entirety of Pokemon. Forget your Mew, that I never owned on Red or Gold, I will admit. Everyone used to tell me, oh yeah, you just float behind the SSS. So, you know, and eventually I got the chance to try that. Get a surf early in the game, do that. And, yeah, I didn't see it. Oh gosh. I never saw it. So, I'm kind of sad about that. So, those people who didn't ever see the missing no but did get Mew, I guess that's where you beat me. That's really fun, isn't it? And then that Rosalia is absolutely awesome. I just love the way you have the evolutions there. That is really lovely. Starting off with a trainer card at the top. Oh, we have not seen this one before, have we? There we go. That is a very nice bit of artwork there. Talking of nice artwork, same for this trainer card. Took a moment to get into focus there, didn't it? Okay, there we go. I'm not expecting to get any more EXs, to be honest, as we already have had 4. But you never know, for sure. Don't want to find out who it is yet. Or show you for that matter. We'll say there's not that much variation to this deck's cards from the look of it. But I'm not too unhappy with that because the cards that we're getting are awesome. One thing I have noticed we haven't got yet, we've had Raichu, but I don't think we've had a Pikachu yet. Luckily I've got a lot of Pikachus in other packs, but I would like to see a cute Pikachu from this pack. That would be something I wouldn't mind seeing, if there is one. Oh, didn't remove it that time, well. I don't think they hold any value or anything, it seems they're just advertisement. So, not too worried about showing you them. Nothing amazing in there, I'm afraid. That's really nice, isn't it? Along with that. Ooh, okay, 2 Flareon EXs of exactly the same. They are exactly the same, aren't they? Oh, that's a shame. I do prefer variation when it comes to my EXs. It's a bit of a shame to get 2 of the same EX. I really have enjoyed this pack though, and might be tempted to buy it again just to see if I can get some more EXs. I won't force that opening up on you guys, so if that does happen, I'll literally be doing it to find out if I can get some better EXs. Sorry, not better. I like those EXs that we currently got. Just more and more variety. And if there is a Pikachu one, I will be buying another pack. That's a definite. There is a Pikachu EX, I would buy a pack. If there is a Pikachu card, which I have not got in this pack, I will be buying a pack. That's simply how it goes. Sadly, I am that obsessed with that nature. Okay, we're down to our last 2 packs. Oh. This is a really nice pack. And that was our final one. So we've had some decent pulls. Some very decent pulls. I'm quite pleased with as things go. A bit of a shame we got 2 Flareons, to be honest. I'm not so happy about that. But other than that, very good. I mean, to go get 1 is pretty good anyway. The artwork of this pack, I would generally recommend this pack. If you like this kind of thing, because, whoa. And if there is an English version and you've got the money, then I would go for it. I cannot promise that there is, though. Some of these kind of packs are the type of ones they only release in Japan. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, feel free to click the like button. If you disliked it, feel free to click the dislike button. I'm not too worried about that. If you enjoy this content and want more of it, then feel free to click the subscribe button.